Welcome, dear students, about aims and importance of seed technology. The main aim of seed technology is to increase the agriculture production through rapid multiplication, timely supply, assured high quality at reasonable price. If you talk about the aim of the seed technology, whatever research, whatever uh, techniques you are adopting for seed, you have to have its fast multiplication. Once a variety has been developed after a long research, the breeding, so that must, once it is released, notified, it must go to the farmers as soon as possible. So if it is not multiplied fast, at faster rate, so the value of that variety cannot be utilized properly. So whatever variety has been released, newly released high yielding varieties, the seed, its multiplication must be rapid so that it can rapidly go to a large number of farming community. So that is one. Timely supply, it is very important in seed technology aim. It is very important. Of course, you have multiplied large quantity of seed required by the farmers, but if you are unable to supply the seed in time, you know that the value of time in agriculture, if you see, if you have not provided the good quality seeds to the farmers in time, say for example any crop, if you take, say for example this season is going on, this Rabi season in India, this is called dry season, dry and wet season. So this is dry season, Rabi crops are grown. So particularly in Rabi crops in northern states, if you talk in India, the wheat is the major crop. If you are unable to provide the seed by mid of October, if seeds are not coming in the hands of the farmers, what you are going to do? So whatever seed farmers are keeping their own seed, they will be growing that, because if you are not providing in time the seeds, so they will not be available to the farmers. So if you see, if they are waiting for your seed and if it has been delayed, so the day by day you are delaying the sowing of wheat or any crop, day by day you are reducing the production of the crop. So rapid multiplication is one, timely supply is very important, assured high quality. The seed technology is giving the training how quality of the seed is maintained and ultimately at reasonable price. This is also very important for farming community, that whatever seed you are going to provide to the farmers, that should be at a reasonable price. So this is all the aims of seed technology. Now you come to importance of the seed technology. Seed technology, what is dealing with the seed? As you sow, so you reap. जैसा बोएंगे वैसा ही काटेंगे. Of course, each and every variety is having its own potential. Say for example, if you talk about this is period of wheat. If you talk about the variety once upon a time in eastern Uttar Pradesh, go back to 35 years back. The Banaras Hindu University had released HUW 234, Malvi 234, wheat. It was very popular among the farmers. By that time, and that was the highest yielding also. That was having a very good chapati making quality also. And because of that, it was very popular. The highest yielding and the quality chapati making variety. Every farmers today also, they have the name of Malvi 234. So, if you talk today, can Malvi 34, which was released 35 years back, 35 years ago, can that compete with the today's varieties in yield potential? Not at all. Whatever quality seed you produce of the HUW 234 or Malvi 234, in crop production, it may not compete at any cost. Whatever input you are using, doesn't matter. If it is having potential of 25 to 30 quintals per hectare, anything you put in that, all inputs, proper advanced technologies you utilize, you cannot go beyond 30 quintals per hectare if its potential is up to this only. So nowadays you are having varieties. SD 2968. Many wheat varieties. If you compare with the Malvi 234, 30-40% yield advantage now you are having in today's wheat varieties. So see, with the same input, same soil, same thing, if you grow the Malvi 234 and SD 2967 or any crop varieties, today's crop varieties with the old varieties, if you grow in the same, you see, you are going to have 30-40% yield advantages. So as you sow, so you reap is very clear. जो बोएंगे वही आप काटेंगे. कितना भी healthy seed हो, if the seed is not having the genetic potential, you cannot expect more than that potential. So it is very important, because in agriculture this is the basic input. All other inputs are in the periphery of the seed. The potential of the seed is high, you are going to have the output high. You are going to have the return of all your inputs high. So this is very important. if you see the importance of seed technology, seed is the basic input in agriculture upon which other inputs are applied. So this is the basic input. A good vigorous seed utilizes all the resources and realize a reasonable output to the growers. I have already dealt it. It is the wealth of the farmers. Of course, if the farmers are having, they will be happiest person. If you go to the farming community with the technologies, first of all they will say that, sir, can you give the seed of this variety? You give me the seed, I will do everything. So first they used to talk about the seed only. So it is the wealth of the farmers. If they are having the good quality seeds, they have the good wealth in agriculture. So good seed in good soil realize good yield. Means good seed means if the genetic potential of the seed is good, if the seed is the quality seed, then good soil means good environment, good inputs. If you are providing, then you can realize good yield. Now you see in general you see that the high quality seeds of same variety, if you talk, if you say about maybe if farmers are growing Malvi 234, if it is having, as I said, that maximum 25 to 30 quintals per hectare potential. So high quality seed of same variety, if farmers are growing Malvi 234 for years together, the same seed they are producing and having, in due course of time, after 3-4 years, the yield potential of their seed of the same variety Malvi 234 will be reduced, because you know that we'll be dealing all these things, deterioration of the crop varieties, in our next lectures. So if you see, simply you just, yes, you want Malvi 234, okay, I'm giving you the seed of Malvi 234. If they are reluctant, no, I'll be growing Malvi 234 only in this plot. Sir, you give me the seed. So whatever seed they were using, if you are giving the replacing the old seed of Malvi 234 with your seed, the quality seed, of course you can expect 15 to 20% yield advantage, you see. And as you know, nowadays varieties every year, this is a continuous process. Development of varieties is a continuous process. Every year varieties are being released, notified in almost all the crop varieties, crops. So in India it is generally the standard has been kept 5, in some crops 5%, in some crops, some types 10%. So from the best available varieties, if your new variety is having 5% yield advantage or 10% yield advantage, depending upon the crops and the type of varieties, they are being released and notified. So if altogether, if you are giving good quality seed of the highest yielding variety, so by good quality seed you are enhancing 15 to 20%, and if you are putting the high yielding variety, new variety, changing the seed with new variety, you add 5% more, so 25%, or 10% more, 30% yield advantage by single input. So this is why farmers are always asking about, sir, don't give me any technology, can you give me the seed of this variety? So this is very important in agriculture, that you supply the good quality seed. Spurious seeds are available in the market. The farmers are being cheated. This is very unfortunate. How many farmers are getting good quality seed in our country? This is very unfortunate. Still we are unable to have check on spurious seeds, on good quality seeds supplied to the farmers. So you know that, of course, the seed technology is most important, or one of the most important branch of agriculture, which is contributing a lot for enhancing the food production in the society, in the farmers field. So this is all about today's topic. I'll be coming in my next lecture with the next topic. Thanking you very much.